All right, this is a follow-up on today's price action daily bias. So we speculated that price is meant to trade down on DXY, and of course, as you guys can see, I just had an alert added there, and I'm currently on the 5-minute time frame. All right, for the guys that have watched the previous video that is on the daily bias for today, you would pretty much recognize all this drawing that is currently on my chart. Okay, so right now I can see a market structure change. All we need now is for price to break this blue line, which they have already done, and we need them to close below it. So once I see price closing below this blue line, remember what I tell you guys about currency correlation, then I'll now be going straight to my broker and I'll be opening up a buy entry on Euro USD. All right, so this is a live market session currently, but it's recorded. So at the time I'm recording this video, it is actually live market. I'm actually on the 5-minute time frame. We have a confirmation, right? And it's not yet totally confirmed, but I like the way this price is actually behaving. All right, remember what I told you guys, previous day high took out. We wait for price structure to change to bearish structure. Price is already changing to bearish structure here. We have about less than 3 minutes for that to happen. Price is changing to bearish structure, so in the next 2-3 minutes or so, this candle will completely print, and once price closes below this blue line, which is actually the point where we want price to change structure, we'll enter for a sell. Of course, remember there is an opening day gap here. Remember guys, in the daily bias video, we pointed out that if price should fill up this gap and close below it, it will increase our chances of getting price down to the previous day low. But for now, I'm going to be trading this with the understanding that I might face a couple of resistance here. So the point here is that you can strategically place yourself in a way that you can enter for a simple short here on DXY, which will imply to a buy on the measure pairs. All right, you can experience and anticipate some level of resistance coming into this point. But of course, where I would largely want to be interested to see price would be towards this axis. All right, so let's see how this is going to happen. I just wanted to make this update video to grab at the point we are getting the crossover or the confirmation, and I've also pointed out the possible outcomes, and this is how I do it. This is how I trade. All right, it's all about getting the levels that you would most likely experience some sort of resistance, and also understanding where you put your stop loss, and generally just have a plan around your trading. All right, have a plan around your setup, and pretty much this is how I do it. I just wanted to show you guys a clip of the behind the scene, and of course it's remaining 1 minute for this candle to completely print. Of course I would have loved to spend more time here, but I just want to show you guys the confirmation. Of course, once I get the confirmation, I'm going to enter this trade, and of course I'll be updating you guys on further instructions or maybe on further updates as the day goes by. But for now, I would jump on it. So it's less than a minute now, so I need to come here. I don't need to spend more time over there. I need to now spend much time here, but at the same time I need to pay close attention to what price is doing here, because it's extremely important that price closes below there. All right, so I'm going to take a very huge one here. Of course, no, don't do this. I'm going to reduce my lot size. I would like to put 100 on this one on Euro USD buy. Then I'll be looking to take profit or take partial profit once price heads towards this gap here. All right, and of course more profit if price continues to go down. Let's see how this one is going to play out. Okay, enter for a buy there on Euro USD. Of course, here is a sell on DXY, and that is how we trade it. And for every time that I pay close attention to what is happening on DXY, this is just the reason why, because I know currency correlation. And of course, I remember I promised you guys we'll make a video on currency correlation, but yeah, once that time comes, we would do that as it is. So this is it. I have an entry now. I will just pretty much manage the trade. I just wanted to show you guys that's it. All right, see you guys in my next video. For now, I need to get back and manage my trade. I'll post an update if this was a success or not, so make sure you stick back, follow, so that you won't miss out on that. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now. Thank you.